Hello guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes and today we have this for sale, an Aprilia Tuono V4 RR. It's a proper stunning piece of kit is this one. It's a 2019 on a 69 plate, but it is the new colours for 2020. 689 miles and they're absolutely riddled with electronic aids, which I'll go through. So you can see there it's got the Brembo M50 monobloc brakes, it's got the Akrapovic end can and decats. It sounds mega as well. And it's really clean. If you want to zoom into all these nooks and crannies, you'll see it's really gleaming as this one, which you'd expect for the mileage. 689. So if you want to come around the other side, I'll just show you a few bits down here as well. So these bikes have got a quick shifter as well as standard, so you can see the module just by the foot peg, but again, as you'd expect, a really clean bike throughout on both sides. It's gleaming. It's got a full LED daytime running light on this bike as well, full LED back, and it's also got a full colour TFT display, which is really handy because there's a lot of stuff to go through on the bike. So first of all, you've got your bragging rights just here, so you've got your lean angle sensor, so as you move the bike you'll see the different degrees there. You've also got your braking control, your throttle control, and down on your left hand side you've got all your different modes that you're in. So they've got adjustable traction, adjustable ABS, different engine braking control, different power modes. They've got cruise control, like I said before, quick shifter. They've got everything. You can also get an app for your phone on these bikes too, and you can get all this information on your phone to see exactly what you've been doing and shave those temps off if you need to. Right, I'll give it a start up for you. There we have it, an absolutely mega sounding bike. So if you fancy it, all you need to do is give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.